You guys, are you ready to unlock your wealth potential? We're diving deep into the power of mindset and how it can transform your financial life. I'm pumped to break it down for you. No BS, just straight up actionable advice. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get this bread. All right, let's talk about the power of your mind. It's more influential than you might think. Every thought you entertain has the potential to shape your reality, your future, and your overall well-being. You become what you think about all day long. This isn't just a catchy phrase, it's a fundamental truth. Your dominant thoughts, whether positive or negative, set the tone for your life. It's like attracts, think of your mind as a magnet. The energy you emit through your thoughts attracts similar energy back to you. If you focus on positive outcomes, you're more likely to experience them. If you're constantly thinking about debt, scarcity, I can't afford that, guess what? You're programming your mind to seek out and notice more of those negative experiences. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy. You're going to attract more of that. The more you dwell on what you lack, the more lack you'll see in your life. It's a vicious cycle that can be hard to break. But if you shift your focus to abundance, to opportunity, to how can I make that happen? You open up a world of possibility. Your mind starts to look for solutions instead of problems. You start attracting the good stuff. Opportunities seem to come out of nowhere, and you find yourself in the right place at the right time. It's not magic, it's the power of positive thinking. It's all about rewiring your brain, my friends. Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections, plays a crucial role here. By consistently focusing on positive thoughts, you can literally change the structure of your brain. You see, your thoughts create your reality. Every thought is like a seed planted in the fertile soil of your mind. Nurture the positive ones, and they will grow into a beautiful garden of reality. You gotta believe in yourself and your ability to create wealth. Self-belief is the cornerstone of success. When you truly believe you can achieve something, you're halfway there. Visualize yourself living that abundant life. Feel it in your bones. Visualization is a powerful tool. When you see yourself achieving your goals, your mind starts to work towards making that vision a reality. This isn't some hocus pocus, this is real talk. The science behind positive thinking and visualization is well documented. It's about harnessing the power of your mind to create the life you desire. When you believe it, you start taking action, and action leads to results. Belief fuels motivation, and motivation drives action. It's a cycle that starts with a single positive thought. So start today. Think positively, believe in yourself, and watch your life transform. Now, let's talk about abundance versus scarcity mindset. This is a crucial topic that can fundamentally change the way you approach life, your goals, and your relationships. Understanding these mindsets can be the key to unlocking your potential and achieving the success you desire. Look, scarcity is a disease. It's a mental trap that convinces you there's never enough time, money, love, or opportunities. This mindset can be incredibly limiting and can hold you back from reaching your full potential. It's thinking there's not enough to go around, that someone else's success takes away from yours. This belief fosters a sense of competition rather than collaboration, making you feel like you have to fight for every scrap of success. This is a poverty mindset, my friends, and it'll keep you stuck. It creates a cycle of fear and anxiety, where you're constantly worried about losing what little you have. This fear can paralyze you, preventing you from taking the necessary steps to improve your situation. Abundance, on the other hand, is about knowing there's enough for everyone. It's a mindset that opens doors rather than closing them. When you believe in abundance, you see opportunities where others see obstacles. It's about collaboration, not competition. When you operate from an abundance mindset, you understand that helping others succeed doesn't take away from your own success. In fact, it often enhances it. When you operate from a place of abundance, you're open to new opportunities, you're willing to take risks, and you celebrate the success of others. This mindset encourages you to step out of your comfort zone and explore new possibilities. You see the world as a place of infinite possibilities. This optimistic worldview allows you to dream bigger and aim higher, knowing that there are endless opportunities waiting for you. And guess what? When you believe in abundance, you attract abundance. It's that simple. The law of attraction states that like attracts like, so when you focus on abundance, you naturally draw more of it into your life. Gratitude plays a significant role in cultivating an abundance mindset. When you're thankful for what you have, you create a positive energy that attracts even more good things into your life. It's a cycle of positivity that keeps on giving. Personal growth is another key aspect. An abundance mindset encourages continuous learning and self-improvement. You're always looking for ways to grow, both personally and professionally, because you believe there's always room for improvement. Building a supportive community is also essential. When you surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share an abundance mindset, you create a network of support that can help you achieve your goals. Together, you can accomplish more than you ever could alone. Finally, giving back is a cornerstone of the abundance mindset. When you share your resources, whether it's time, money, or knowledge, you contribute to a cycle of abundance that benefits everyone. Philanthropy and charity are not just acts of kindness, they're investments in a better future for all. So, which side are you on? Are you ready to embrace an abundance mindset and unlock the limitless possibilities that await you? The choice is yours, and it can make all the difference in your journey to success. Let me tell you something, I want to be rich is not a goal, it's a wish. You got to get specific. What does wealth look like to you? How much money do you want to make? What kind of lifestyle do you want to live? Write it down, make it tangible. Once you have your goals, break them down into smaller, actionable steps. What do you need to do today, this week, this month to move closer to your goals? Remember, a goal without a plan is just a dream. So get clear, get focused, and get after it. Invest in yourself. You're your greatest asset. Listen up, the best investment you can ever make is in yourself. I'm talking about your education, your skills, your personal growth. The more you learn, the more you earn. Read books, take courses, attend seminars, invest in your knowledge and development. Become a master of your craft, whatever that may be. The more valuable you become, the more you can command in the marketplace. Remember, you're not just working for a paycheck, you're building a future. Invest in yourself like your life depends on it, because it does. Network your way to success. It's all about connections. You know what they say, your network is your net worth. And let me tell you, it's true. Surround yourself with successful people who are doing what you want to do, and learn from them. Attend industry events, connect with people online, build genuine relationships. Remember, it's not just about what you know, it's about who you know. Be a giver, not just a taker. Offer value, connect people, and watch your network grow. The right connections can open doors you never even knew existed. From consumer to creator. Shift your mindset, shift your life. Listen up, most people are stuck in a consumer mindset. They spend their days scrolling through online stores, adding items to their carts, and making purchases they often don't need. They're always buying, consuming, spending. It's a cycle that never ends, and it keeps them from achieving true financial freedom. But the real key to wealth is to become a producer. This means shifting your mindset from constantly consuming to creating something valuable. Ask yourself, what value can I provide? What unique skills or knowledge do I have that others might find useful? What problem can I solve? Think about the challenges people face and how you can offer solutions. What can I create that others will pay for? Whether it's art, technology, or a new service, the possibilities are endless. This is how you build real wealth, by creating something of value. It's not just about making money, it's about making a difference. Whether it's a product, a service, or even content, focus on adding value to the world. Share your knowledge, your skills, and your passion. Remember, consumers spend money, producers make money. The more value you provide, the more people will be willing to pay for what you offer. Which side do you want to be on? The path of endless consumption, or the path of creation and contribution? The choice is yours. Shift your mindset and you'll shift your life. Gratitude and giving back, the secret sauce to abundance. You know, a lot of people talk about gratitude, but they don't really get it. Gratitude isn't just about saying thank you, it's about feeling it in your soul. When you're truly grateful for what you have, you open yourself up to receive even more. And don't forget about giving back. When you have abundance, it's important to share it with others. Whether it's donating to charity, volunteering your time, or simply helping someone in need, giving back creates a ripple effect of abundance. Unlock your potential, start today. So there you have it, the keys to unlocking the wealth mindset. Remember, it all starts with your thoughts. Believe in yourself, cultivate an abundance mindset, set clear goals, invest in yourself, build your network, become a producer, and practice gratitude. These principles have the power to transform your life. Don't wait for someday, start today. Take action, stay consistent, and watch your financial dreams become a reality. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more game-changing content, and share it with your friends. Let's unlock our wealth potential together.